In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your currency in Freshbooks. Whether you're managing finances for a small business or freelancing globally, sometimes it's essential to operate in a currency that aligns with your clientele or business needs. Fortunately, Freshbooks makes it simple to switch currencies, so let's walk through that process together. First off, we'll begin by navigating to the settings within your Freshbooks account. To do this, once you're logged into your dashboard, you should look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu icon typically labeled as Settings, or indicated by a gear symbol. Clicking this will transport you to the Settings page, which is essentially the control center for all your account configurations. Once you've successfully made your way into the Settings page, the next step is to locate the Tax and Financial Information tab. This section is responsible for housing various financial settings, including those related to currency. As you peruse this section, you'll notice it's designed to provide clarity on your tax details, invoicing preferences, and of course, your currency options. Selecting this tab will direct you to a new page where you can make adjustments specifically related to your financial information. Now comes the key step, changing your currency. Within the Tax and Financial Information page, you will find an option or a drop-down menu that allows you to select your preferred currency. It's here where you can choose from a list of worldwide currencies to best suit your business needs. When selecting your currency, make sure to double-check your choice to ensure it matches your intended currency for invoices and financial reports. This is crucial because once the currency is set, all your financial data within Freshbooks will adhere to this choice, affecting your reports and client transactions. After you've chosen your desired currency, remember to save the changes. Typically, there will be a Save button at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Click it to ensure your settings are updated. You might sometimes be prompted by Freshbooks to confirm this change, as modifying currency impacts your financial settings on a broad scale. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your currency setting within Freshbooks. Adjusting your currency can help align your financial reports with your business operations, ensuring that transactions and billing are both accurate and efficient. If you need to revisit these instructions or share them with a colleague, this process is straightforward and takes just a few clicks, making it hassle-free to adapt to your business demands. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your experience with Freshbooks even smoother. Don't forget to hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your business with ease.